Genichi Taguchi was born in Takamachi, Japan. In 1948, Taguchi started to work both at the Ministry of Public Health and Welfare and at the Institute of Statistical Mathematics of the Ministry of Education. In 1950, Taguchi worked at Electrical Communication Laboratory. In 1960, Genichi Taguchi received various awards such as the Deming Prize, one of the highest awards in quality engineering. Taguchi continued his study at Kyushu University, where he obtained his PhD in Statistics and Mathematics Science in 1962. In 1965, Taguchi started working as a professor at Ayoma Gakuin University, which enabled him to develop his quality control approaches even further. In the 1980s, the approach of Genichi Taguchi raised interest in other international companies, including Ford, Xerox, and ITT. Genichi Taguchi was honored many times and received various recognitions such as the Indigo Ribbon in 1986. It was an award given by the Emperor of Japan, which he received for his contribution to the Japanese economy and industry. He additionally received the Willard F. Rockwell Medal by the International Technology Institute for his achievements with combining engineering and statistical methods. Taguchi's major contributions to the quality revolution. Genichi Taguchi is well known for developing a methodology to improve quality and reduce costs. The main contributions of Genichi Taguchi made to the quality improvement world. The first one is loss function. He was the first person to equate quality with cost. It tells how much revenue they are losing as a result of variability in their production process. It's a useful method for estimating the value of a quality improvement program. The second is orthogonal arrays and linear graphs. He developed a way of isolating noise factors from all others in a cause-effect manner. The third one is robustness. He referred to the ability of a process or product of a work as intended regardless of uncontrollable outside influences. Quality practices impacted by the contribution of Genichi Taguchi. In the optimization process, the fundamental drawback of the Taguchi approach is that the results are just relative and do not explicitly state which parameters have the greatest impact on the performance characteristic value. Taguchi methods are offline, making them unsuitable for a process that is constantly changing, such as a simulation study. Rather than adjusting poor quality, his approaches focus on designing quality. As a result, they can only be used efficiently in the early stages of process development. The conclusions derived from the experimental relation are an approximation to the actual value or description. There are two quality quotes that Genichi Taguchi said. First, cost is more important than quality, but quality is the best way to reduce cost. Second, a scientific or technical study always consists of the following three steps. First, one decides the objective. Second, one considers the method. And third, one evaluates the method in relation to the objective. The executive director of American Supplier Institute, Genichi Taguchi, is well known for developing a methodology that improves quality and reduces cost. It is known in the United States as the Taguchi method. He is also known for developing the quality loss function. So quality loss function is a method measuring loss that are incurred due to not perfect but compliant production.
From what I gotten about the Taguchi technique is that quality control should focus on design and development in order to build an essential and trustworthy product. Its founder, Genichi Taguchi, believes that design is more essential than manufacturing in quality control, and strives to remove deviations in production before they arise, ensuring that every unit of the product closely matches to design, specifications, and performs exactly as planned, which is very important to be taken into account when inventing products.
Quality. The importance of quality in any product or service can't be overstated. Taguchi technique of quality control helps me to be able to understand and to be able to comprehend what is quality in design development for the purpose to have a product efficient and dependable goods. So Taguchi noted that quality is the loss a product causes to society after it is shipped, other than losses produced by its intrinsic functions.
A man very well known as a statistician and one of the many important people who revolutionized quality. Genichi Taguchi has made methods in which prevents product defects that would in turn improve product quality, ultimately making the products lower cost. One of the takeaways I have from Genichi Taguchi is how to improve on overall quality, making sure that any output is the best possible output given constraints.